In the quiet suburbs of Seattle, Emily thought her cat Whiskers was just another lazy tabby, until one stormy night changed everything. Every evening at exactly 9:17 p.m., Whiskers would sit by the same window, staring into the darkness. Emily never knew why, but that night, during a heavy rainstorm, she realized her cat wasn't watching nothing. He was watching someone, inspired by real feline behavior and true accounts from pet owners. This short cinematic story reveals how cats see, feel, and protect us in ways we can't explain. If you love emotional, mysterious, and heartwarming cat stories, this film is for you. Because sometimes love doesn't need words, just a pair of watchful eyes. Produced for cat lovers in the US, Canada, and beyond, based on insights from the 2025 Feline Behavior and Nutrition Report. What you'll learn: experience how cats sense danger before humans do, the emotional bond between cats and their owners. Why cats stare at windows or nothing, the instinctive nature of feline protectors.